Most people think they know their iPhone, but hidden inside the Settings app are features Apple almost never explains, even though they can make your phone faster, more private, and way easier to use. In this video, I'll show you iPhone settings you should check right now on iOS 26.3. Some of these feel like secret features Apple forgot to tell anyone about. Let's start with one of the coolest: Back Tap Shortcut. Your iPhone actually lets you control it by tapping the back of the phone. You can double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to trigger actions like taking a screenshot, opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, or even running a shortcut. Here's how to enable it. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, tap Touch, scroll down and open Back Tap. Now choose double tap or triple tap and assign the action you want. Once you turn this on, just tap the back of your phone and the action will run instantly. It feels like a hidden button Apple never told you about. Turn off precise location for apps. Many apps request your exact location, but most of them don't actually need it. You can limit how accurate your location sharing is. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Now select any app from the list. Here you'll see an option called Precise Location. If you turn this off, the app only gets your approximate location instead of your exact GPS position. It's a small change that improves privacy without breaking the app. Next setting is for the hidden location history. Your iPhone can also store places you visit frequently. Apple uses this data to provide smarter suggestions in Maps, Photos, and Calendar. But many people don't even know this feature exists. To check this, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, tap Location Services, scroll to System Services. Then open Significant Locations and Routes. Here you can see your stored locations. You can disable this feature completely if you prefer not to keep that history. Another underrated feature is Customize Control Center. Most people swipe down to open Control Center, but they never customize it. And that means they're missing some incredibly useful shortcuts. To change this, swipe from right corner of your iPhone screen. Tap plus icon at top left side. Now tap Add a Control at bottom. From here you can add controls like screen recording, dark mode, low power mode, magnifier, notes, sound recognition. Once added, these controls appear instantly when you open Control Center. Even better, many controls reveal extra options when you long press them. For example, long press the camera icon and you can see various certain camera options that you can choose from. Now let's talk about a feature that can genuinely help focus and sleep better: background sounds. Your iPhone can actually play built-in white noise, rain, or ocean sounds to help you focus or sleep. This feature is hidden inside Accessibility settings. To enable it, open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual. Then tap Background Sounds. Here you need to enable Background Sounds option. You can choose sounds like rain, ocean, balanced noise, dark noise, bright noise. Once enabled, your iPhone can play these sounds continuously, even while using other apps. Many people download apps for this, but the feature is already built into iOS. Another setting worth checking is focus. Most people think focus mode is just do not disturb with a new name. But in iOS 26, it's much more powerful. You can create different focus modes for work, sleep, driving, personal time, or gaming. Each mode can allow only certain people and apps to notify you. To set it up, open Settings, Scroll down and tap Focus. Choose an existing mode or create a custom one using plus icon at top right side. You can even schedule it automatically based on time or location. Once configured properly, it can remove most distractions from your day. Finally, here's one more that feels surprisingly modern: lock or hide apps. One of the newer privacy features in recent iOS versions is app locking. This lets you require Face ID before opening certain apps. To use it, go to your home screen. Press and hold the app icon that you wish to lock. Then tap Require Face ID. Now that app can't be opened without authentication. It's perfect for protecting apps like Notes, Messages, or banking apps if someone else uses your iPhone. The truth is, your iPhone already has dozens of useful features built in, but Apple hides many of them deep inside settings. If you try just a few of these from back tap, precise location control, significant locations, control center customization, background sounds, focus modes, and app locking, your iPhone can feel completely different. And chances are, most people around you don't even know these features exist. So let me know in the comments about the iPhone feature that you like the most. And like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips like this.